The 5 ways I want to talk about with your CRM, the number one is use it, learn it, know it. Make sure that you're spending enough time in your CRM that you understand it to its full capacity. That might be just 1, 2, or 3 things in there. Maybe it's text messages, maybe it's videos, maybe you're using emails in conjunction with text messages, but focus on being in there. The more often you're in there, the more often you're going to use it and the better you're going to understand it. Second, track it. Because at the end of the day, if you don't know who's opening, you don't know who to reach out, someone's going to fall through the cracks. If someone's opened your just listed email 13 times, that's a great reason just to give them a call. Be consistent is probably should be number one, but being in it is number one. So, but being consistent while being in it is paramount to your success. If you're not in there on a regular basis, if you're not reaching out to your clients consistently, they're going to forget about you. And you're going to get 3 months down the road and you're going to see that some of your database has already bought a home with someone else. Try something different, be unique, throw something out there, interview someone special, talk to local businesses and send that out. That's huge value for you. But it's really important that you try to stand out. It's a very crowded room in real estate right now. And last, and this probably should be first, document absolutely everything. Because if it's not in LionDesk, it doesn't exist. You won't remember that 6 months down the road when you go to make the phone call that John told you about Lil Susie's soccer league that she was in, and you're not even going to remember about it. They're not even going to feel like at the end of the day that you know them. So making sure that you document everything that you do in LionDesk is a very important feature to really capitalize on building those relationships. Because let's face it, we all don't remember what happened 6 months ago when we've talked to 150 people since then. So making sure that you document is probably one of the most powerful ways that you can use the CRM.